You can hang out there.
Alright, 21 right, run a pad, Echo, cross 34 at Echo, Cardinal 163.
Do you want to turn your angle a little bit more to you? Because
10-10-75, Peace Road.
10-10-75.
Alright, cool.
10-10-75, give way to the the Pilatus ahead, and then taxi to Northwest Ramp via Bravo.
Give way to the Pilatus and then Northwest Ramp via Bravo, 10-10-75.
November 7 Delta Victor, monitor tower.
Alright, we should be. Testing. Alright, we should be good.
Alright.
I'm on ground. Damn, I heard him say taxi.
Future ground at fuel truck northeast ramp, need to reposition back to S ramp.
Acme fuel truck, Peace Tree ground.
Pickup, Beach Tower Information, Whiskey 1853 Zulu, wind 3406, the weather span of 5005, temperature 192.2, altimeter 3018, visual, runway 3 right approaching, use landing and departing, runway 3 right and runway 3 left. I for clearance, available 125.2. North to Emmy, runway 34 fast, low intensity, out of service, use caution for birds. Wildlife US cranes in around the airport, repack all host instructions, advise ground control if IFR or VFR runway, taxi advise, special contact, you have information, Whiskey. Pickup, Beach Tower Information, Whiskey 1853 Zulu, wind 3406, the weather span of 5005, temperature 192.2, altimeter 3018, visual, runway 3 right approaching, use landing and departing, runway 3 right and runway 3 left. I for clearance, available 125.2. North to Emmy, runway 34 fast, low intensity, out of service, use caution for birds. Wildlife US cranes in around the airport, repack all host instructions, advise ground control if IFR or VFR runway, taxi advise, special contact, you have information, Whiskey. Pickup, Beach Tower Information, Whiskey 1853 Zulu, wind 3406, the weather span of 5005, temperature 192.2, altimeter 3018, visual, runway 3 right approaching, use landing and departing, runway 3 right and runway 3 left. I for clearance, available 125.2. North to Emmy, runway 34 fast, low intensity, out of service, use caution for birds. Wildlife US cranes in around the airport, repack all host instructions, advise ground control if IFR or VFR runway, taxi advise, special contact, you have information, Whiskey. Pickup, Beach Tower Information, Whiskey 1853 Zulu, wind 3406, the weather span of 5005, temperature 192.2, altimeter 3018, visual, runway 3 right approaching, use
temperature
landing and departing, 3 right and runway 3 left. I for clearance, available 125.2.
Temperature 192.2.
Low intensity, out of service,
Temperature 192.3.
Wildlife US cranes in around the airport, repack all host instructions, advise ground control if IFR or VFR runway, taxi advise, special contact, you have information, Whiskey.
Alright, I got that.
Alright, cool.
Pickup, Beach Tower Information, Whiskey 1853 Zulu, wind 3406, the weather span of 5005, temperature 192.2,
switch down to the com
3018, visual.
Cool. Let's contact ground.
Peachtree ground, Archer 6860 Juliet. We are skybound, departing to the north with information, Whiskey.
November 6860 Juliet, Peace Tree ground, runway 3 left, taxi via Bravo, Alpha, advise run up complete.
6860 Juliet, taxiing Bravo, Alpha to 3 left. Will advise will run up complete, thank you. That was short.
Hey, hey, it's impressive. Good.
It was because it was short. Alright, I got it. You want to test the brakes?
Alright, I have flight controls.
Flight control.
Runner 233, Peace Tree ground, runway 3.
Go
Right,
a little bit
taxi
left
via
for
hotel,
the truck.
Alpha,
There you go.
cross runway 3.
Alright, my brakes works. All good. Back to your flight controls.
I'm going to stop.
Hotel Alpha, hold short,
For now.
3 left, 233.
In the way.
And over Runner 233, you'll cross runway 34 at Alpha.
We'll cross 34 at Alpha, 233.
Ground, Cessna 885 Golf Tango, right up complete.
That's 885 Golf Tango, runway 3 left, monitor tower.
142 left, monitor tower, 885 Golf Tango. Thank you.
923, not an issue this time, just future references. Just let us know if you were parked where you were just parked at. We call that the northeast ramp, and we'll give you different instructions out of there. We'd hate for you to hit a jet or something like that, or a wing coming through there, because it's not really our control, and we don't want the insurance issues that come along with it. No issues this time. You can continue making your way through the ramp at your discretion, and just Hotel Alpha.
Okay, Hotel Alpha, and I did advise the northeast ramp a signature on my call.
I'm going to have a conversation with my trainees then.
233.
What did he tell them? Well, try not to cross over the ramp, just because of the insurance just in case the bad guys are hitting other planes. And the pilot says, well, that's what you guys told me to do, so...
Yeah, he said that's why I got to talk to him. Okay.
Trainee.
Yeah, I feel like I did this before.
Which one?
What we're doing.
Oh, yeah. Probably the last time we did this, yeah.
No, it was this morning. It was a joke. Yeah, except this morning there was like 5 jets back to back.
Right. Yeah.
We started doing the run-up right here, and we completed the run-up, and then we made the call, and they didn't respond. And we tried to make the call again, they didn't respond again, so then we just pulled over into the run-up area. Jeez. Had to wait.
That's bad, man, that's bad. Alright, looks good. Straight out the wheel.
Right.
Not yet.
November 90233.
A little more power.
Tower.
Opposite rudder, so straight out the front wheel. There you go.
Oh, like that. Okay, I get what you're saying.
Gotcha. Good. Alright, I'll put the cable on my side, so it doesn't gonna bother you anymore.
Oh, no, I was about to hook it back up for a second, but it's...
That's fine. I'm gonna give it back to you after we take off.
Peachtree Ground, Gulfstream, 89 Charlie Hotel, signature ready to taxi with whiskey.
Alright, I'm going to check these, watch your legs.
Number 889 Charlie Hotel, Peachtree Ground, runway 3 right, taxi via Hotel Alpha, cross runway 34 at Alpha, hold short runway 3 left.
Okay, taxi to runway 3 right via Hotel Alpha, cross runway 34 at Alpha,
clear.
hold short of 3 left, 889 Charlie Hotel.
Magnetos.
Taxi fuel truck, proceed northbound on Bravo.
Vacuum on 5. Oil temperature was slow to rise today. Oil pressure, good. Annunciator. Carb heat. What's up?
Check the drop.
There was a drop.
Yep.
Fuel pressure, yeah, that's up.
And let's put back the power all the way back to the idle, so make sure we still have a good amount of the RPMs over there.
Power all the way back to idle.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, good.
Alright.
One Charlie Romeo is Juliet going.
Before takeoff.
You want to do all this?
Charlie
Yeah.
Romeo, Peachtree Ground,
Let's
taxi
crack this out.
signature via Alpha Hotel.
So,
Alpha Hotel, 1 Charlie Romeo.
yeah, we just going
So let's
to take off to the north.
Let's make it simple. So before takeoff briefing, which runway we're going to use, which direction we're going to fly.
We're going to use 3 left, and we're going north.
Alright, that's it.
Church.
Just be advised they're not going to pick it up airborne.
Emergency
They will
procedure.
not let you
So,
land.
Let's start with that one.
Yeah,
So, emergency
they will not
procedure.
also let you
When
land.
engine fails during the takeoff.
Hold on.
Roger, alright, we'll wait. Cross 163.
Roger.
So the engine fails before we rotate. We're gonna power idle, and then we're gonna stop on the remaining runway. If the engine fails after, we're gonna idle.
Land on remaining.
Land on remaining. I can read it, but it's like, really? That's what we gonna do?
Yeah.
And land on remaining one runway.
If we have a sufficient amount of the runway left.
Yeah. And then after we rotate before 5,000 feet, we're gonna pitch for glide and like land at the best available spot. And then above.
Clear 3 left on Gulf Taxi.
I don't know what that is.
Let me actually change some of those stuff. So after rotate under 1,000 feet, we're gonna pitch for best glide and land the nearest runway. Not the nearest runway. Land the nearest field.
With whiskey, ready to taxi.
Pitch for glide and land the nearest field.
Chrono 64, Peachtree ground. Give way to a Pilatus that'll be entering the Aero Center ramp, and then taxi to runway 3 right via Bravo Alpha. Hold short, runway 3 left.
We'll give way to the PC-12.
Over 1,000,
2, 3 right.
We're going to come back to the runway while we're maintaining the best glide speed.
Over 889er Charlie Hotel, monitor tower.
Peachtree ground, Cirrus 496 Lima at Aero Center with information whiskey, ready to taxi.
Over 889er Charlie Hotel, monitor tower.
Alright.
Cool.
And over 496 Lima, Peachtree ground, say again, please.
They're both
6 Lima at Aero Center with information whiskey, ready to taxi.
Pages. Looks good. Car P.
Over 496 Lima, Peachtree ground. For runway 3 left, taxi via Bravo Alpha, and it's all complete.
Neutral.
Alright, runway 3 left, Bravo Alpha, and we'll advise 6 Lima.
Hey, we got the jet.
Number 1 Whiskey Charlie is on. Going to signature.
Over 1 Whiskey Charlie, Peachtree ground, taxi signature via Alpha Hotel.
Alpha Hotel, signature 1 Whiskey Charlie.
No clears?
Yep. Y'all good?
Don't make sure. A large and expensive piece of equipment he's in charge of, so, well, he's second in command, but still. Yeah. Alright, 6860 Juliet, run up complete.
Over 6860 Juliet, runway 3 left, monitor tower.
6860 Juliet, 3 left, monitoring tower. Thank you.
It's been a 5,005, temperature 192 point altimeter.
Instead of that, press this button, comma.
At the sky.
There we go.
November 233, fly runway heading, contact your land departure.
So we go, right?
Yes, sir.
Runway heading 233.
Alright.
I don't need this.
Not now, right? So, cool.
Oh, can I get that cord, please?
There you go.
Thanks.
And
United
change your
Charlie
settings
Hotel,
of
Peachtree
maps.
5 runway heading, runway 3 right, clear for immediate takeoff, jet traffic, 4 mile left base.
Runway heading, clear for immediate takeoff, 889 Charlie Hotel.
990 one approach prior to arrival is a Gulfstream.
990, roger, inside.
November 6860, Juliet Peachtree Tower, left turn north approved, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff. Traffic departing parallel runway Gulfstream, cautionary turbulence.
6860 Juliet, clear for takeoff on 3 left. We'll watch for the Gulf streams, quick turbulence. Depart to the north. Thank you.
Alright, close your window.
Right here, right?
Yep.
They had us depart from 3 right. Yeah, earlier.
It happened. You guys went to the eastbound?
No, we went north.
Oh, okay.
Runway 64,
okay,
cross runway 3 left.
Cross 3 left, turn 64.
Full power.
And rotate.
Alright, good.
November 9 Charlie Hotel, runway heading, contact delaying departure.
Runway heading or departure, Charlie Hotel, see you.
Potential aircraft information X-rays now current, wind calm, altimeter 3017.
Okay, let's turn a little bit into the left.
Alright. I don't even see the jet anymore. He's gone.
Yeah, he's already up over there in the clouds, so.
Wow.
Things are fast. Hey, one day, man, one day. It's our future.
November 9 here. Turn left at Gulf Cross, runway 3 left, contact ground point 6 after crossing.
Gulf Cross.
Alright, for today, we're going to maintain 3,500 all the way up to Cherokee County.
Peachtree
Sounds
Tower,
good.
runway heading, runway 3,
that's cool.
clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, 3 right, turn 64.
Trying to get the feel of the rudder. I was using a lot more rudder today. To position the plane.
How was it?
It's it felt new, right? Because everything is coming at you and you're trying to learn one thing, but you gotta kinda learn it all at the same time. But today I felt more comfortable with other controls, so I was able to better
runway heading, contact delayed
get
departure.
more experience, I'll say, on the rudder and yaw at the plane.
Sounds good. Happy to hear that. Alright. So, can you see the traffic over there? Yeah.
No, I don't.
Okay. So, keep that in mind.
900 feet above us.
Really? That?
Could be like right here. Yeah. There's a guy like.
Oh, then.
I don't see him though.
Well, if that's the case, we're gonna keep climb, or we're gonna maintain the altitude. Your discretion. Tell me what you gotta do.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah.
He's 4,000 feet above, and then 700.
Alright, let's try not to climb anymore. No more clouds
to the north, east.
Yeah, because he's already up over there.
I see that guy.
Yep.
Yeah.
November 404 Delta Charlie.
And there's somebody that's coming across at 400 feet above us and said,
yeah, so let's try to push your nose down for a little bit.
There he is. There's somebody.
November 6
There he is.
I got it.
Frequency change approved. Have a great day.
Not a factor, but you know, be cautious.
Peachtree Tower, sir. 496 Lima Lima, hold short at 3 left, ready for departure.
November 496 Lima Lima, Roger, hold short wing for
not a factor
release from
anymore.
Atlanta.
You want to keep climbing?
3 left.
At this point, yeah. Because he already passed us, so we're good.
We got another one coming at us that's 500 feet above us.
Where?
Coming from over here.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna descend. So we're gonna keep climbing to 3,500. I think that's the inbound traffic for PDK. Alright, let me actually check yours.
I don't see this guy though.
So this is a Centennial, right? So Centennial, which is they based at the Peachtree Airport. So sooner or later, they're going to descend down to 3,500 all the way down.
You said they're what? They're a who?
They're Centennial Aviation.
What is that?
That's another flight school that based at PDK. So,
yeah, but shouldn't I see him? Like right in front of me, and I can't. There he is. He's right there.
Yeah, if that's the case, you can turn right to avoid him.
Start your descent for traffic
No, I
10
see
o'clock or 11 o'clock.
It looked like they're doing maneuvers.
Yeah, 3,300.
Over there?
Yeah, that's what it looked like. They're spinning around. Look.
686 Juliet Peachtree Tower. If you're still on frequency, 11 o'clock, 2 miles. Or
What?
That's
what they're doing.
3,400.
Yeah, that's actually our departure and arrival. Like, what are they maneuvers over there?
Peachtree Tower, station 892.
Keep an eye on them, and then actually, let's climb up.
Citation 8902 Juliet Sierra, Peachtree Tower, runway 3 right, clear to land, wind 320 at 4.
3 right, clear to land. They wanted 170 or greater until 5 out.
Roger.
I think they're doing the steep turns right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, if they're doing the steep turns, then we better get climb and avoid them.
But they're flying away now.
They're flying away?
Yeah.
Man, I never got them.
I lost them. Don't see them anymore. But they're at the same altitude that we are. There he is. I see him.
Alright, cool. Okay, you can descend back to 3,500.
November 496 Lima Lima, Peachtree Tower, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading.
3 left, clear for takeoff, runway heading for 60 Monday mile.
I need to put noise control on.
Oh, you didn't?
That's better.
Much better, right?
Yeah. Yeah, they're over there doing maneuvers.
Alright, I want you to set us direct to the Cherokee County Airport. So can you see this button over here? D with the arrow.
Yeah,
press it. And now you're gonna enter the airport code. It's a KCNI, right? So big knobs, we're gonna change the field. Small knob, it actually changes your alphabet. So start every airport in the United States started with K, kilo.
Right.
So KCNI, and once you move your big knob, there you go. It'll move the letters.
Gotcha.
Right, so let's try to enter KCNI over there. If you're flying a Piper, yeah, the 430 will gonna be your best friend. So.
The what?
Once you're flying the 6860 Juliet, then you have to know how to control the Garmin 430 series. There you go. Once you're done, press enter. And it'll ask you to make sure.
November
So that's why the active is.
Runway heading, contact land and departure.
Good.
Runway heading over departure 611, let's go.
Oh, we're off a little bit.
November 2108 Lima, Peachtree Tower, left turn west cruise, runway 3 left,
let's
clear for
change the
takeoff.
frequency to 123.0. That's the
Left turn
airport.
runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
And tell me what is the ATIS ATIS frequency on Cherokee County?
It doesn't show us up there.
No, it doesn't.
Well, I should have did that back there.
That's fine. Go to the airport. Go to the information. On the top. 1982, right?
1982.
Yep.
The AWAS.
Yep. So we're gonna listen to that. So let's set up the frequency. Big knobs moves the big numbers. Small knob moves the after decimals. All right.
November 133 Papa Echo, Peachtree Tower, cross runway 3 left.
Cross runway 3 left, 133 Papa Echo.
Oh, excuse me for a second. Let me pull this out. Yeah. There you go. So let's listen to let's listen to the weather first.
Cherokee County,
Airport, automatic weather observation. 2002 Zulu. Weather, wind 300 at 8, visibility 10, clear. Below 2000, temperature 19er. Celsius, dew point 0, altimeter 3016.
Can you bring it to the map in any chance?
Cherokee County Airport, automatic weather observation. 2002 Zulu. Weather, wind 300 at 8, visibility 10, clear. Below 2000, temperature 19er. Celsius, dew point 0, altimeter 3016. Cherokee County Airport, automatic weather observation. 2003 Zulu. Weather, wind 300 at 8, visibility 10, clear.
3008.
Temperature 19er. Celsius,
land on
0, altimeter
what was it,
3016.
Which is more applicable?
So what's a crosswind 523?
County
Because that would mean we landed with the headwind.
20,
yeah, and we're always aiming for the headwind, right?
Zulu.
Yeah.
Weather, wind 300
That's this thing,
at 7, visibility
There you
10, clear. Below
So we need to land on 23.
2000, temperature 19er. Celsius, dew point 0, altimeter 3016. Cherokee County Airport, automatic weather observation.
What are we looking for?
2004 Zulu. Weather, wind 300 at 6, visibility 10, clear. Below 2000, temperature 19er. Celsius, dew point
Push
0,
enter.
altimeter 3016.
Trying to make sure I got it right.
Yeah, you get it right.
That looks all right.
Cherokee County Airport, automatic weather observation.
So let's hear about the altitude and the directions.
Weather, wind 29er, 0 at 6, visibility.
Because we're only 1,000 feet above the ground right now.
2000, temperature 19er. Celsius, dew point 0, altimeter
Make sure I'm watching my
3016.
my altitude.
And once you climb, full power always.
Cherokee County Airport, automatic weather observation. 20.
And once you're done with the weather, you can switch the frequency by pressing this button.
29er, 0.
Okay, so I don't know when to use this and when to use that.
That's actually up to you.
Below, 1.
So what's the
It's your
difference?
preference.
Why?
So we have a the radio 1 and radio 2.
0.
That's solely your discretion of which radio.
This is radio 1.
Uh-huh.
This is radio 2.
Yep.
Okay.
So that's why we have a COM 1 over here and COM 2. So it actually gives you more options to the pilot. That's it.
Okay.
And I mean, normally I save some space up over here, COM 1 for the PDK, and and COM 2 is the weather for the other airport or the other frequency at the other airport that we're going to head into. So it's up to you. Alright, so we're on the frequency, so let's ask, and we're about, how far are we?
I don't see the airport yet.
5 miles? I mean, they got an airport inside over there.
I wish you hadn't told me. I wish you hadn't told me. I wanted to find it.
Oh, okay.
Work on that.
Cherokee traffic, Cherokee traffic 36 on 3
I still don't see it, so but I'll look at that.
Gotcha. Hold on a second. Let me ask you.
Cherokee traffic for track 117 at the upwind making left close runway 5, Cherokee.
Oh, they're using runway 5 today.
With the crosswind?
Yep.
This is untowered. Can we choose to use what runway we want?
No, that's a single runway over there, right? And there's already the one airplane that.
Oh, here it is right here.
Yeah, there you go. So we're gonna follow the other traffics.
I don't see any traffic.
Well, there's two guys just reporting they're flying the Cherokee. And also that's the reason why you have to open up your ears and listen.
No, I heard what he said. I just don't see him.
Cherokee
Oh,
traffic
okay.
to track 117, left crosswind, runway 5, Cherokee.
So that crosswind.
Cherokee, 33368, short final, runway 5, full stop, Cherokee.
So, do you remember the technique that you've done with Joe today?
For what?
Crossing over the runway and do the teardrop entry or straight.
No, we didn't do no teardrop. We just went straight into the base. But okay.
Alright.
Cherokee traffic to track 117, turning left down
This is guy
runway
that
5, Cherokee.
I'm gonna turn right immediately. Turn right 360 and descend down to 2,500. Alright, that's about it. Level the wings. Jeez, what is this guy? I mean, what is wrong with this guy? Alright, now you may turn left and yeah, head into the airport.
This is the dump.
Yeah. Not sure that's a quarry they're making or just make it as a dumpster,
But this right here is the dump. I don't know what they got going on over there.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Cherokee traffic, Cherokee 368 to me exiting runway 5, Alpha 3, taxi into the FBO.
So we're about 3 miles away, so let's make a radio call. Ready?
So we're gonna, I don't know which direction is.
Oh, runway 5 was over there, on your left. So if you want to cross over the runway, you're going to climb at least 500 feet above the airport, above the pattern altitude. And their pattern altitude is 2,200, so we're going to climb all the way up to 3,200.
Okay.
And we're 2 miles.
Cherokee traffic to track 117.
So what are you going to say to that?
I'm going to say Cherokee, Archer, November 6860 Juliet, crossing.
Midfield.
Huh?
Crossing the midfield.
Crossing midfield.
Entering.
At 3,200.
Yep, and entering runway 05.
Entering runway 05.
Let's try it.
Alright. Cherokee, Archer, November 6860 Juliet. We are crossing midfield at 3,500, entering runway 5 to the left.
You don't have to say clear to land. That's right.
Cherokee 33368 is holding short of Alpha 5 at 5:02.
I said 3,500.
Yeah, that's okay. Everyone makes mistakes, Joe. That's good. Alright, and the rest of the climb, we're going to fly over here, 3,200.
There's the traffic.
Yeah. Alright, change your heading box to 05. I'm going to help you out at that one. And so everything else,
traffic for track
it's only up to you then.
117, going around, making left close, runway 5, Cherokee.
Cherokee traffic, Cherokee 33368 is crossing 5 and 23 at Alpha 5 on the ground, going to be taxiing to the SBO. Cherokee traffic.
So now you're gonna tell them Cherokee County traffic, Archer 6860 Juliet, entering left downwind runway 05.
Cherokee traffic for track 117 in the upwind, making a right turn to the south.
Entering left down runway 05.
Yep.
Cherokee traffic, Cherokee 33368 is clear the active runway, taxi to the SBO.
Also descend down to 2,200. So, We're about like 1,000 feet, right? So let's practice a teardrop if that's the case. So teardrop entry is basically make a 270-degree turn, and while you're descending. Reduce your power. And reduce your bank angle. It's over 30 degrees. Alright, there you go. Cherokee County traffic, Archer 686 to Juliet, teardrop, entering the downwind runways, left downwind runway 05, Cherokee. Alright, do not go to the runway.
Cherokee traffic, return 117, about 2 miles south of the field departing area to the south, Cherokee.
Alright, we're way closer to the runway, right?
Yeah, we are.
So let's stay away from it and do not dive into the ground. Alright, turn right. Alright, more right. We're still too close. And over here is your beam point, right? So let's align with the runway, fly parallel with it. And what do you have to do on your beam point?
There's a couple things. Hey.
There you go. Was it 45?
Yeah.
Cool.
Think so.
Okay. I mean, if you think so, then yeah. I'm trusting on you. Alright, base leg, what do you have to do? Alright.
Oh.
Rudder.
Slow.
Oh, that's way too steep, so careful on that. Alright, final. Flaps.
So should I reduce speed or pitch down?
They're going to reduce your speed and pitch down. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm going to have to go around.
Now, if you think you have to go around, what are you going to do?
I'm going to go around.
Full power, full power, full power. Alright, and flaps 20 right away.
Oh.
Right rudder. Alright,
so Cherokee November 6860 Juliet going around. Cherokee, damn.
That's good. Alright, so higher than 65 knots, what do you have to do? Oh!
What?
Alright, so one at a time.
Okay.
Alright. You feel the drop?
Yeah, the pattern altitude is 2200. Yeah, I felt the drop.
Yeah, that's what you have to do. You have to retract one at a time. Because think that happened like, 100 feet over the ground. What do you think?
Yeah, you're going to fall. You're going to hit the ground.
And we don't want that, right? So, let's keep that in mind. So, make sure you're going to press the good amount until the ball goes into the center, okay?
Okay.
Once the ball goes to right, you have to apply the right rudder. Once the ball goes to left, you're going to press the left rudder, okay?
5 miles to the west, so we'll be eastbound 2,500 Sparrow.
Cherokee 6860 Juliet entering Crosswind 05 Cherokee.
Cool. we're a little close over here. And there's 2,200.
All right. Cherokee, November 6860 Juliet, entering downwind, left of 35 Cherokee.
Alright. So I know the runways are really tempting, but let's try not to go closer to the runway. No more than this. Alright, keep your altitude. We're descending.
I mean, we're supposed to, right? Not too fast.
Not now. You're gonna start your descent at a beam point.
Okay.
So now it's the time to descend. Alright, carb heat is on.
Already had carb heat.
Flaps 10. Alright, about 80 knots. What are you gonna do? Descent, not the flaps.
Alright.
Alright.
Cherokee, 6860 Juliet, entering base, left of 05 Cherokee. Remember to let it go.
It's our discretion. So, alright, base leg, what do you have to do? Alright, reduce more.
It's going too fast.
Yeah. And let's turn that.
Cherokee 6860 Juliet, entering final left of 05 Cherokee.
Alright, reduce more power. Flaps full. And keep a nose down.
Shot this thing.
That's good. You can actually use your power all the way back to the airport.
2,500, and we'll be watching out for the aircraft coming on 2-3, and we'll follow you.
I have a Pappy or Vassy over here?
Nope. Unfortunately not. Alright, directional control looks good. Crosswind correction. Aileron into the wind, opposite rudder. Apply a little more power.
Got it.
Alright.
Going around.
Yeah. There's a sudden drop, right? Why do you think that happened?
I don't know. I prefer not to use so much flap though, because there was the same thing this morning, which is why we didn't use so much of the flaps.
Okay, then we're gonna hold the flaps 20. Okay.
Yeah.
So, ever heard about the cross control stall?
No.
No. Okay. So that normally happens once you apply the opposite directions of your flight controls. So into the wind, I mean left. So things are like this: left turn, but you apply the right rudder while you're doing your turn.
Yeah.
If that happens, our airspeed drops significantly. That's why we got a sudden drop. We also use that technique while we're doing the forced slip. But once we do the forced slip, you have to push our nose down.
Okay.
But we didn't push our nose down. Instead of we're pushing the nose up, right?
Okay.
So if you apply the opposite rudder too much, then that happens. Sudden drop.
Lima, 10 miles, final, turn out, runway 5, for virtual main.
Cool.
Yeah, yep. Right. I mean, it's being recorded. I'll watch it back. I'm not going to remember that right now.
That's good. Well, yeah, we got covered by this, so.
Yeah. I will definitely replay the tape.
Awesome.
County Cap 95 on a right base, runway 5, Cherokee County.
Cherokee County traffic, Archer 6860 Juliet entering left downwind runway 05, Cherokee. There you go. Once you arrive at your target altitude, power back to 2200, and there you go, all yours.
All right, my flight.
You have flight control.
Hey, traffic on the downwind for runway 5 at Cherokee County. We just had to divert off of McCollum and a plane slammed gear up in front of us. So we're a little bit on the mid-fuel side. If you don't mind just letting us come in here from the base flag. It looks like you might be a little ahead of us. November 6860 Juliet. Go right ahead. Take care of yourself. Thanks.
Alright, so what is our option?
Keep straight.
Yep. We're going to extend the downwind. Cherokee County traffic 6860 Julia, we're going to extend it downwind.
Cherokee traffic, Cock 2108 Lima, 7 mile final.
I don't see it. Said he was coming into the downwind, so there he is.
Alright.
Cherokee traffic, Captain 925, 1 mile final, runway 5, Cherokee.
Cherokee 6860 Juliet, enter base left of 5, Cherokee. Oh, these bumps.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, flaps 10. Clark heat. Now, watch your airspeed. So, we're a little too high, right?
Yeah, we're high.
Yeah, well, there you go. Reduce your power. And descent.
Cherokee 6860 Juliet, entering final, left runway 5, Cherokee.
Cherokee traffic, Cock 208 Lima, 5 mile final, RNAV 5, low pitch only, Cherokee 208 Lima.
So the crosswind correction.
And the wind, opposite rudder, but can adjust a little bit as you're maintaining the center line, like this.
How do I feel like I'm crabbing?
Cherokee traffic, Captain 925.
Well,
How do I fix that?
A little more to the right, a little more opposite rudder. There you go. And we're a little too low, so watch that. Okay, good. So try to land together. All right.
I'm coming in fast.
So how are you gonna fix that? Reduce power, right? All the way to the idle. Float over the runway. There's a drop, right? Whoa.
Got it?
Yep. All right, full power.
Cherokee traffic, Cock 208 Lima, 3 mile final, RNAV 5, low push only, Cherokee.
And we learned into the wind. So we're not drift away.
Cherokee traffic, Skyline 1657 Romeo, entering for takeoff runway 5, Cherokee.
Why am I smelling so much fuel?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering too.
Cherokee traffic 737 with X-rays, midfield, left downwind, 13 barrel.
Cherokee 6860 Juliet, entering crosswind, left of 5, Cherokee. Cherokee 6860 Juliet, entering crosswind left of, or excuse me, entering downwind left of 5, Cherokee.
Alright, awesome.
Okay, 7737, kick trace left base 13 barrel.
I don't smell the fuel anymore.
No, I don't either. Yeah, I think that's what I'm struggling with. Like when the plane is crabbing, I'm trying to figure out how to get it back centered, feeling right.
So, while you're flying up in the air, you don't really have to overcorrect it. That's fine. Just let her fly as itself, fly through the winds. There you go. But, once you line up on the final, just a little bit of the aileron into the wind and opposite rudder so we can maintain a straight ahead. And don't forget to descend.
Cherokee 6860 Juliet, entering base left of 5, Cherokee.
Alright, base leg. And reduce more power. There you go. Flaps 20.
And Cherokee County, Unicom, this is Cap 925, we're 172 just out front. We need to stop and get some gas. Do you just want to park up front?
Yeah, that'll be fine, thank you.
Okay, great, thanks.
Alright, left rudder. Especially once you turn, do not make the cross controlled, okay? Alright.
You mean don't give it right rudder?
No, especially once you turn to the left. Alright, nice glide slope. Let's keep our airspeed over here. Do not drop. Good. Power is your discretion. You can maintain, as long as you can maintain 65 knots, you can push anyone down as much as power you want.
Cherokee traffic Skyline 16575 Romeo, turning left base, runway 5, Cherokee.
Alright, keep it nose down now. Nose down. Into the wind, hold it over there, opposite rudder, and power. Idle. There's a drop, right? Slightly apply it. Small corrections, little by little. Alright?
Cherokee traffic 165 turning final, runway 5, Cherokee.
So, aileron into the wind. That's the basics of the crosswind corrections. There you go. Airspeed aligned, 55, rotate.
Too much. Having fuel again, whenever we like a hard bank, I guess, when the aircraft's not level.
Yeah, that's because, I think that's because, where was that? The exhaust is right over on your side.
Yeah.
Alright, we're applying too much back pressure over there, right? Alright, 300 people at the pattern altitude. So,
Got it. Cherokee 6860 Juliet, entering crosswind left of 05. Cherokee.
Cherokee traffic 165 Romeo, clear, runway 5, Cherokee.
Sarah County traffic down to 363 Delta Alpha, turning left downwind 13 barrel.
alright, looking good, looking good.
Cherokee 6860 Juliet entering downwind, left of 05, Cherokee.
Alright, so don't play with the rudder too much.
No, I was trying to step on the ball to get it centered.
Cool.
My heels need to be all the way on the floor.
Yeah.
I wasn't.
You know, under correction that's an issue, but over correction that's also could be an issue too. I mean, you're doing good so far. So once you turn, do not press the opposite direction of the rudder. Alright.
Cherokee traffic, Skyway 1652, Romeo entering runway 5 for takeoff, close traffic, close left traffic, Cherokee.
Left page, 13, barrel.
Bird.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
We're a bit early, that's fine. Bit early.
He's 45. To me.
Well, there's a traffic over there, right? So, okay.
Where do you see traffic?
On the runway.
Yeah, on the runway. Okay.
That's fine. Let's
Thinking he should be gone by the time we get the final.
Yep.
Hopefully. If not, we can go to the right?
Yeah. Base leg.
Cherokee 6860 Juliet entering base left of 05. Cherokee. Now.
Alright, flaps, and turn to the final. Alright, airspeed looks good, perfect.
Overshot it.
That's good, that's okay. So, a little bit of opposite rudder, and aileron into the wind, so we can maintain straight.
1657 Romeo, turning crosswind, runway 5, Cherokee.
Alright, now let's turn to the right, so we can line up with the runway. Do not reduce power. Alright, there we go. Slowly reduce the power now, and once you pass the threshold, what are you going to do?
Idle.
Idle, there you go.
Help the truck.
Alright, back pressure is the key, good. And aileron into the wind. See, now we can maintain straight. So, there you go. And as the airspeed rises up, you can slowly bring it back to the neutral.
We move with flying 4,500 should be.
What is birds? Oh, opposite rudder, right?
Opposite rudder of while you're doing crosswind.
Yeah.
Use an aileron. So instead of relying on, your rudder settings, try to utilize your aileron first. Because most of the time we, blow away by the winds, it'll actually cause our wing either upward, imbalance of the wing. So aileron is first. If it didn't fix, then use a rudder as a backup. Okay.
13.
Yeah.
All right. So we're about 200 people up, about an altitude.
Skyway 1657 Romeo, turning final, runway 5, Cherokee.
Cherokee 6860 Juliet entering crosswind left of 5.